Hello, friends! Welcome back to Rainbow Preschool. Today, Timmi, Rohit, and Nancy are going on an amazing numbers adventure. We will learn numbers from 1 to 10.
Yay! This is number 1. One sun. Can you say number 1?
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ 1 ਨੂੰ 1 ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ।
1 1
Oh wow! I see 2 cute birds. This is number 2.
2 birds.
हिंदी में 2 को डो कहते हैं।
2H 2 hatch do.
Look! PH3 colorful balloons are floating. This is number 3.
3 balloons.
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ 3 ਨੂੰ 3 ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ।
3 bad 3.
I can see FOOR teddy bears. This is number 4. Count with me.
1 2 3 4.
हिंदी में 4 को 4 कहते हैं।
4 5 shining stars.
This is number 5. Can you count the stars?
1 2 3 4 5.
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ 5 ਨੂੰ 5 ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ।
5 5 5 5 5 5.
Look at these yummy apples. This is number 6. Let's count together.
1 2 3 4 5 6.
हिंदी में 6 को 6 कहते हैं।
6 now 6 6.
I found 7 beautiful flowers. This is number 7. Count with me.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7.
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ 7 ਨੂੰ 7 ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ।
7 7 7.
Look! 8 butterflies are flying. This is number 8. Can you count them?
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
हिंदी में 8 को 8 कहते हैं।
8 8 8.
Wow! 9 colorful cars. This is number 9. Let's count together.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ 9 ਨੂੰ 9 ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ।
9 no.
Amazing! 10 colorful balls. This is
Number 10.
Can you count to 10 with me?
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
हिंदी में 10 को 10 कहते हैं।
10 10.
Now it's time for the super fun number game. How many stars are there?
3. Yay!
How many apples?
5.
How many butterflies?
8.
How many balls? TEN.
Amazing job, friends!
Wow, friends! Today we learned numbers from 1 to 10 together. Bye-bye, friends! See you soon!